Hey guys, I'm Coach Josh, and here are my 3 ways to avoid the snack attack. That's unconscious snacking, where you don't even realise that you're doing it. First of all, there's nothing wrong with having a snack, but I find the best way to avoid unconscious snacking or avoiding eating those snacks that you don't want to eat is to move them out of sight. Out of sight, out of mind. If you can't see them, it's much harder to mindlessly reach for them. Secondly, do the opposite with helpful snacks. I love to build a snack box for the day with all of my tracked snacks in one box. So if I feel hunger coming on, I know I can reach for a box full of foods that I know are gonna satisfy me, and I've already accounted for them in my day. Absolute win. And lastly, a great way to avoid unconscious snacking is that when you're picking what to snack on, pick foods that will keep you fuller for longer. Foods that are high in protein will give you that fuller feeling.